Shout out to Benny, of course. Buffalo going to Fritz, putting on the Ritz. Calgary going to Turner. Canes going to Double J. Chicago, Jeff O. Avs, Zack Attack. CBJ, Johnny 5. Dallas, J5. Detroit, Kentaro Sato representing Japan. Oil Kostler. Florida, Double J. Kings, Haas. Mini going to Bob M. MTL, Jeff O. Nash, Marky P. Devs, Fritz. Isles, Trav F. Firstborn, Range Fritz, Ottawa Fritz, Fly Jeff O, Pit Mad C, Sharks Turner, Blues Turner, TB Double J, Toronto Tarzan, Canucks Jeff, Vegas Ken, Capitals going to Terry, Bo Berry, and Jets going to Lions, Bo Byans. Macaris, I'm sorry. We got it all planned out and figured out now, Lions. It's a plan. It's set in stone. Oh, man. Chrono. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Chrono ain't easy to get nowadays, and it's an arm and a leg and some feet. Considering all the other sports, though, it's actually, I mean, it's like not as bad. Hockey's been able to kind of maintain. I mean, at least you can buy some personals. Yeah, can I get a blaster box of football? Oh, yeah, we have a special. It's $9,995. And then we give you a base card for free. You can go ahead and pick through that box for your free base card. It's a really good deal right now. Oh, yeah, sounds great. Will Fanatics make a move on the hockey? Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Nikki C. Tukaras, Boston, 222. Don't kill me, Nick. We got a sick border fatty patch auto. That is Wild Bill for Vegas. I guess these aren't numbered. I think I did that the other day looking for the number. Do not send Benny over. Well, the thing is, I have Benny's kryptonite. I'm not going to give up the kryptonite on Benny because if he goes to the dog park, somebody else might be listening in. We got Martin Nikas. Somebody else might go to the dog park. Martin Nikas for the Canes. There we go, auto. I ain't letting nobody know about the kryptonite. Next up, we got a rip card. Nice rip card capsule, Patrice Bergeron. In the rip, what a trip. What do you say? What do you know? Nice rip card for the Berge. With the Bergie Bond hairdo. Surfing USA. Yeah, they're nice. We actually opened some last time. Zach Parise had some nice cards in them, man. Zach Parise, Minnesota, 222. We got an auto, Brendan Shanahan for the Canes. Hartford Whalers, a.k.a. Hurricanes. Nice card with some little shanty card there. And for the Florida Panthers, Jay Baumeister with the Meester. His ancestors are the first ones to develop a certain cheese. It was Munster. And they used to have the last name as J. Munster, or Bo Munster. Someone patented the name. They legally had to change their last name back then in the early 1930s. Adrian Aucoin. Letterman auto. Jersey patch auto. Number to 20 for CBJ. Nice little surprise for CBJ there. Oh yeah, they're cool, man. That's the nice thing about Gypsy, or not Gypsy, but Allen and Ginter, of course, is the rips. But these, I would say the Upper Deck rips are really good. So far, it's been pretty good what I've seen come out of them. So that's cool. Let me know what she gets. All right, guys, let's do it. Good luck. Philip Forsberg, 222 for the Nash. Oh, geez, here we go. We got a sick Chrono Letterman's auto for the Hozzy, Dave Taylor. Number to 20 for the Kings. That is dope, Hoz. What a nice card, bro. That is super cool, man. Dave Taylor. Dave's not here, man. We got Brooks Orpik for the Caps. There's nobody in the trunk, man. And we got John Carlson, Letterman. Number to 35 for the Caps. It's really iffy on how many boxes you can get of this stuff now, Chrono. Of course, you want to be able to buy it at the right price, too. We should just save up every week for Chrono until we get a case. Let's keep putting the boxes aside till it equals a case. Alright guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Sorry for those did not get a hit in Chrono. I'll go put them on one of the sorting tables. I always say table, but there's 12 full-size tables out there in the loft. It's crazy. All right, I'll go do that right now. Might as well take the Dreisaitl and Donor Tampa Bay hat.